In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to WordPress 2026 complete tutorial. We'll start inside your WordPress host. Sign in and head to your hosting overview. This is where your site's technical info lives, and we'll need it to point your domain correctly. Open the domain section, then choose Add or Add Domain. If your domain was purchased at GoDaddy and isn't registered with your current host, choose Use a different domain. Your host will usually show you the IP address for your site and sometimes a SNAME target. Keep that tab open, you'll use those details in a moment. Next, switch over to GoDaddy. Log in, click your profile, and go to My Products. Under Domains, choose Manage All to see your domain list. Select the domain you want to connect, then open the DNS settings. This is the control panel that tells the internet where to send visitors when they type your web address. Find the A record with the name set to edit it so it points to the IP address provided by your WordPress host. If you see multiple A records for keep the one that points to your host's IP and remove or disable any that point elsewhere so there's no conflict. Save your changes and leave the TTL at its default unless your host recommends otherwise. Now update the CNAME record. Typically, the CNAME with the name www should point to your root domain, often written as or to a specific target your host gives you. The goal is simple. Whether someone types yourdomain.com or www.yourdomain.com, they land on the same WordPress site. Save this change as well. Give the internet a little time to catch up. DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, though many changes show up within a few hours. During this window, your site may flip between the old and new destination, which is normal. Before you call it done, make sure your site is secured with HTTPS. In your WordPress host, confirm that an SSL certificate is active for your domain. Most hosts issue one automatically once the domain is connected. If not, there's usually a one-click option to enable it. When SSL is active, visitors will see the secure lock icon in the browser. Finally, verify everything with a DNS checker. Look up your domain and confirm the A record matches your host's IP and that the www CNAME resolves correctly. Once those records are in place and SSL is active, your GoDaddy domain will load your WordPress site securely and reliably.